Hello everybody. My name is Ellie. Welcome to my channel, where I share some amazing health and fitness content and some great tips on how to stay fit and healthy on a daily basis. In this video, we will be going through to lose weight. Vegetarians should follow such a keto diet plan. Now, vegetarian people can also adopt keto diet. Know what things have to be included in your diet. It is true that losing weight is not that easy. You can use any diet, whether it is keto diet, Atkins diet, GM diet, or any other diet. The truth is that discipline is needed to lose weight, only then you get results. Using any diet does not mean that you should be hungry. Taking any diet means that you should be healthy and consume the right things. The problem becomes for those who are vegetarian because they neither eat meat nor eggs. Keto diet is low in carbohydrates and high in protein and fat. Non-vegetarians consume fish, meat and eggs for protein, but vegetarians have very little choice. We have spoken to advanced certified personal trainer Racket Doer about this. He said that most vegetarian proteins are very high in carbohydrates, due to which you are not able to come into a state of ketosis, whereas the only meaning of keto diet is to bring you into a state of ketosis. They say that it is a big misconception that vegetarians cannot take keto diet, whereas it is not so. Vegetarians can follow keto diet by using different types of things. If possible, use buttermilk. According to Dr. Racket, every person should plan his diet according to his BMRIE basic metabolic rate. The diet plan of those who are vegetarians revolves around buttermilk, mushroom, coconut oil, etc. Keto diet becomes very easy for those who consume eggs. Keto diet plan for vegetarians. Your plan should be according to your weight. If you want to reduce your fat, then your diet plan should be like this. Breakfast. Take 100 grams of spinach and paneer with 2 egg omelette in your breakfast. Between breakfast and lunch, you can drink buttermilk during this time. Lunch. Eat 3 boiled eggs in the afternoon lunch. Evening snack. In the evening you have paneer bhujia and green tea. After workout, at this time you drink protein shake. Dinner. At dinner time, have 2 egg omelette, spinach or egg pudding. Vegetarians have a problem of constipation in following a keto diet because this diet is high in protein and low in carbohydrates. Therefore, you should use green leafy vegetables like spinach and lettuce more and drink more and more water. Water keeps you hydrated so that your stomach gets cleared easily. Keto diet expels excess sodium and water from the body, so drink lemonade mixed with some salt and sugar. To find out more about health and fitness content, visit more video this channel.